Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today's video is especially for college students. Whether you're just starting school or about to graduate, I want to explain why now is the perfect time to start saving with Bitcoin. Let's dive into it. So, why should college students care about Bitcoin? Let's face it, college is a massive investment of time, money, and energy. You're betting on your degree to open doors, but in today's fiat economy, a degree alone isn't always enough. The thing is, Bitcoin offers you something no degree or savings account can. It protects the value of your hard work, whether you're studying late nights or working a part time job. By starting to save in Bitcoin now, you're giving yourself an asset that appreciates over time and hedges against the uncertainties of the job market. Start small, the power of saving in Bitcoin. You might think you need a lot of money to start, but the truth is you can begin with as little as $5. Every small amount you save now puts you ahead of 99.9% of other college students and even 99% of most other people who don't own any or understand what Bitcoin is. The math comes down to Bitcoin's finite supply and growing demand means that owning even a small fraction of a Bitcoin could be life-changing in the future. The earlier you start, the more time your savings has to grow. Bitcoin compared to traditional savings, in a traditional fiat currency system, saving dollars isn't enough. Inflation eats away at your purchasing power, meaning the money you save now will buy less and less in the future. Bitcoin flips this on its head. Its fixed supply of 21 million coins makes it a deflationary asset. Your savings grow stronger over time instead of weaker. As the network grows in size and demand, your piece of this finite Bitcoin pie increases in value as well. That value cannot be diluted like the dollar can. Dollars are constantly being printed out of thin air, stealing your hard-earned purchasing power, negating all the work you put into your education and your career. Why Bitcoin is perfect for college students. As a student, you're building your future. Bitcoin is the perfect companion to your education because it's easy to buy in small amounts. You don't need to feel overwhelmed. It teaches you financial discipline. Saving today means freedom tomorrow. It's an asset to fall back on, especially in an uncertain job market where a degree isn't a guaranteed safety net anymore. So just start small and stay consistent. Even a small amount in a consistent interval can put you ahead of most people. And if you're ready to start saving with Bitcoin, here are some tools to help you get started. River Financial is my most trusted way of buying Bitcoin. They have really cool features like proof of reserves, Bitcoin interest paid on cash, and no fee recurring purchases. Use my referral link in the description for some free Bitcoin when you sign up and make your first purchase. You can use the Strike app to buy and send Bitcoin easily. Use my referral link for reduced fees. You can use Ledger to protect your Bitcoin with a hardware wallet. Use my referral link below. College is a great time to learn and grow, and starting your Bitcoin journey now could set you up for life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.